Clearing is a way for universities to fill places that they have left after the main application cycle. You could apply if you haven't applied to university at all, if you're making a last-minute decision to go to university, if you've changed your mind about the course that you want to do or the university you want to go to, or if you've missed out on some of the grades so you haven't got a place in university. There's no stigma attached to applying via Clearing, and once your child is in university, nobody's going to know how they applied, whether they applied in the main university's application cycle or whether they applied through Clearing. I'm a parent to two children who've also been through the university process, so I understand how difficult it can be and challenging on results day. You have to be prepared. It's a very anxious time for parents, but also for the children who are going through Clearing as well. My main advice would be to give us a ring. We're available, we've got extended hours. We're here from 8 in the morning till 9 in the evening on the Thursday and Friday results days, and then we're here all weekend and all the following week with extended hours. So give us a ring and my team will be happy to support you. Don't panic on results day. 10 years down the line, you won't remember that. You will just remember the fact that they've gone onto a course and they've done really, really well on the course that they're going to be applying for, and you look back on university as a really positive experience.